anyway, today, it's Saturday, and on a Saturday morning, when we're in Jamaica, this is what we normally do when we're in Jamaica. That peanut porridge, cornmeal porridge, banana porridge, plantain porridge, almond mixed up with a lot of different stuff. But today, I share one of my recipe with you, banana and almond goes really well. Green banana, and the beauty is that green banana got a lot of iron in it, and almond also good for you. But if you're allergic to almond, I'm really sorry guys, I can't have that one because almond is nuts. But thank you so much to tune in and watch my show, and as I said, the lobster subscribing is going up higher, and also the like is going on good on it. So seems like we will do a garlic and butter lobster. Alright? Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Thank you so much for tuning into my show, and we got a lot more ideas. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and also look forward for my new cookbook, which is coming out very soon. Stay tuned. Welcome back in the kitchen again and again with Chef Ricardo. Guys, amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, it is Saturday morning, bright and early, and the beauty is that I want to do you a really wonderful porridge. You're gonna do some almond and green banana porridge. Really fantastic. I want to say banana full of iron, and also almond have a lot of vitamin. Almond is good for you, good for your skin, good for your health. First thing what we're going to do is put in the almond, roughly about half and full of almond, and I'm going to show you how to peel the banana and cut them up, and also blend it up with some milk. So what we're going to do is simple. Remove the skin from the banana. Make sure you got on the gloves, jawline across, and simple peel the banana like this. And I'm using some nice green banana. The best thing I want to say to you guys, it is good for you to, so basically this is what you want to do, and cut up your banana and put them straight inside of your smoothie blender, or if you have a ninja blender, whatever kind of blender you have, you can use it. All right, so basically probably my blender might take up to about 2 or 3, but I have 4 fingers. But if you use either 3 or the whole 4 is fine. It doesn't really matter, because I'm not going to be making like a whole heap of the porridge. It's just like roughly a bowl of porridge. That's one. As you can see exactly what's going on right there. But anyway, what we're going to do, I'm going to be using at least 3 fingers of the green banana. Really nice. Alright, so if the 4 of them can hold, what I'm going to do, I'm going to be blend up those 2 in that one, and then we're going to add the next one. Alright, nice one. So as you can see exactly what's going on right there. Nice one. Then what we're going to do, I'm going to be popping some Ola milk inside of it. As you can see, might put another one in it, and another one. Put some more milk, so roughly about a glass of milk. And I'm going to be blending this for about 5-6 minutes. Nice one. Nice and lovely. So basically guys, I want to say to you, I just used 3.5 of the banana. As I can see, just use 3.5 of it, and then basically I'm going to take it to the next level, how to cook it. Alright, enjoy it. Nice one. So basically what you need to do, as I can see, roughly about 2 cups of water I have inside of a pot. It is better for you to have a little bit of water in the pot. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put roughly about half cans of, as I say, coconut milk. I'm just using the one from the tin. You can blend some natural coconut if you like. If you have the time, I want to do that. can get the coconut oxide out and blend it, but life is a little bit more easier. I'm using the tin one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop roughly about quarter cans of the coconut cream milk inside of the pot. Quarter can of it, alright, as you can see, inside of the pot. Then now I'm going to get my blending stuff, like my banana and my almond, which I just blend up. And I'm going to take my time, pour tea, use my whisk, and give it a whisk like this. Nice one. I want to say, just keep giving it a little bit of whisk like this until the sea start to get really thick on the medium size heat, guys. Lovely. Really nice. Definitely you're gonna see it just start to get really, really thick. When you're making porridge, the less water you have in the pot is better for you, because you can always add liquid to it. You can't, when it's spoiled, it's very hard to get it correct. Alright? So at the moment I have it on a medium sized heat. And this one, as I say, almond and banana porridge. Really healthy on a Saturday morning or on a Sunday morning. I want you guys to see exactly what I'm talking about. You're gonna see it start to get really thick. And it's good for you to use a thick pot that doesn't stuck and burn. Yeah, you see that? Look at that. You see it start to get thick? Lovely. And not only the beauty again, because the almond have, you know what I mean, the almond have a lot of milk in it also, so it's just fantastic, guys. Really nice. So allow that for another 5 to 10 minutes, make it go and cook. But roughly about 7 minutes. Make it just cook for 7 minutes, then we're gonna add some ingredients to it, okay? Enjoy it. Nice and lovely. So basically, as you can see, the porridge is cooking at the moment, and roughly about almost 8 minutes now. So what I did, I just grated half of a nutmeg egg, and I'm gonna pop it straight inside of it. Look at this. I just grated it. Fresh and nice. Love the scent of nutmeg egg. Just pop that straight in it. Really nice. Then cinnamon, and we're gonna put a pinch of cinnamon. Cinnamon is really good for you, not too much though. Don't want to overpower the nutmeg egg, because cinnamon is very strong. Vanilla is my favorite, man. I love vanilla. I'm gonna pop a tablespoon in it. Love my vanilla. And mixed spice. Just a little pinch of the mixed spice. Yeah, and also a pinch of salt. Not too much, you know. I don't want my thing get salt. Yeah. And that's looking lovely so far. It's coming on, but there's a lot more ingredients to it. Basically, we wanna sweeten it as we goes along. So I'm gonna be using some sweet condensed milk. I'm going to be using some sweet condensed milk. So basically, as I said, you can sweeten and taste as you goes along, because I'm using some sweet condensed milk at the moment. So basically, I just add some sweet condensed milk to it. So what we're gonna do is taste it. All right. That is perfect. Green banana and almond porridge. Honestly, it's perfect, and you don't need to add anything else to it because you don't want it to be too sweet, or you know what I mean. You just want to have it on a natural. And the beauty is that almond is good for you, and the green banana have a lot of iron. So basically, a medium-sized eat, allow it to boil up for about 4 more minutes. Then we're going to just share it out. All right, enjoy the recipe, my fans. Yeah, nice and lovely. Look at that, beautiful. Done and dusted. We're going to share it out now. All right, guys, enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely. So basically, I just gonna pour the porridge. Look at this. Oh man, this is so fantastic. You have this in the morning, you're good to go. All right, guys. So as you can see, exactly what I'm all about when I'm saying we're gonna make you a nice, lovely banana and almond porridge. That's it right here. So hopefully you enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the channel, leave your comments below. This is from Chef Ricardo on the team, and see you next time. Bye bye.